So now we'll continue. Okay. So now can you see here? I am just inserting into the salary grade. We have created one table, isn't it? So there we have to insert. So now salary grade, when we have to insert, we have to put semicolon. Each and every record individually we are inserting. So the semicolon is a termination character. So semicolon is a termination character. So I am just giving semicolon. Okay. Here why it is showing in the beginning into is we have not given semicolon to the previous command. Now having given this, now it has gone. So now we have to insert this record onto the salary grade. Now block everything or select the records that you want to execute. So now I want to insert these 5 records onto the table called salary underscore grade. Okay, so now I just choose this execute button. Execute. Now can you see here insert? I will show you here. Can you see insert into one record? All the 5 records starting from 16 to 20. It has inserted all 5 records. All 5 records. Yes or no? Whatever we have we have given the insert command. Insert into table name, values, and we have to supply the values for 3 different columns that we have created. The reason is here, can you see in salary grade how many columns you are having? Grade, which is integer, primary key, minimum salary integer, maximum salary integer. All 3 columns are integer columns, but the first column grade alone is a primary key. So what is the purpose of primary key? It will not allow duplicates, and moreover it will not allow null values. So that is how we will call it as a primary key. Okay. So now see here, we have inserted likewise 3 integer values, and likewise 5 records have been inserted. Now how will you cross check whether you have inserted this records or not?
Start from salary grade.
Very good. So we have to give select start from the salary grade. So I did this now. Then you press this execute or F5. Shortcut key is F5 from the keyboard. Function key F5. F5.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. So that is how you can execute. So now can you see whatever we have inserted? How beautifully it is displaying all 5 records. After it inserted, the new row which is waiting here, right? In future you may insert the new record to it, but by default the new record will have null as the input. Is that fine? 5 records we have inserted, but in the 6th record, after all the records it is displaying, can you see it will have null for all the columns. The reason is when you insert a new record, at that time the null will be replaced by the new record that you are inserting. Okay. Agree? 5 records we have inserted. 5 records we have inserted. By default, 6th record will be null. It will show you null values. The moment after some 5 days, 10 days, if you are inserting a new record, at that time the 6th record where it is having null, it will be replaced with the values that you are going to insert. Okay. So at that time null will be replaced with the new set of values that you are going to insert with the salary grade values syntax. Okay. So that is how you need to understand. Okay. Yes. So what are the different tables that we have created so far? We have created employee table, then we have created department, then salary grade, and suitably we have inserted the various records. Okay. So this is so what are the different languages that we have completed? DDL, data definition language. Create table will come under data definition language. and insert command will come under data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. Okay. So as I told you in the introduction, in DDL you will have create, alter, drop, whereas in DML you will have insert, update and delete. Okay. Yes. So now we are going to see the queries one by one. Okay. Almost some 100 plus queries I have got it here. Okay. It will run through pages only. See here. It run through pages. How much ever is possible to discuss today, we will do it today. Then we will continue in the next class. Is that fine?
Yes.
Yeah. Up till this, any doubts, Pratibha?
Clear, ma'am. So far I am clear, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So now we start with the first query. So write a query. The question. It is like a this project is like a question answer format. Question answer format. Okay. So write a query in SQL to display all the information about an employee or all the information of the employee. So now what will you write? Select. Select is a data retrieval statement. So select a star from employee. And why it is showing into symbol here? The reason is I have not put semicolon here in the previous statement. So now it has gone. See, now it has gone. So now let us execute this. Highlight this and then F5 you press, or you just press this one to execute it. So now can you see all the records in the employee table it is displaying. Yes or no? Select star. Star means what? All columns. Select star means all columns. If you want to select a specific column, what will you do? The specific column name, one or more specific columns also you can select. Suppose I want to select employee ID, employee name and department ID. What will I do? I will just give select employee ID, employee name, comma department ID from employee. From employee. I have to tell the which table, isn't it? From which table? So this is how you will be selecting few columns or all the columns using star. Okay? Yes. Now as I told you in this, now the second question is, any doubt in this? Any doubt in this first example? Clear. Okay. So write a query in SQL to find the salaries of all employees. Salaries of all employees. So when a query, see, you will be knowing the answer, but looking at the question, you need to know what will be my answer. So like that only I have prepared question and query format. Question and query format. Okay. So now select the salary. My intention is I want to select the salary of all employees. So select the salary from employee. Here also question mark. Sorry, that is a semicolon. Okay. So now highlight this, then you click on this to execute. So now can you see how beautifully it is selecting only the salary column? Yes. The same. Any doubts in this? Is it clear? Okay. So the next one is write a query in SQL to display the unique designations for the employees. So unique means I will use distinct keyword. Select distinct. Designation means job name column. Job name. Do you remember we have created in this job name varchar 220. So job name is designation. So in interviews and all, they will ask you in indirect way. So you need to know job name is designation. Yes or no? So in the question they have not asked you to select the job name. The column name they have not given, but indirectly they have asked you to select the unique designations. So that is how we need to be very clever. Okay, in understanding the question first. First understand the question properly, then based on that you try to give the query. Okay, so unique means distinct, and designation means do you have any column matching with designation? Employee name cannot be matched. Job name, yes. The remaining under, once it is matched with job name, you don't have to check with other columns, isn't it? So that is how I have chosen job name. Okay. So select distinct job name. Then from which table? Employee table. Then I put semicolon. Semicolon. So now the query is ready. Select this. Then you execute it. So now can you see here? Multiple managers, in a department you will have multiple analysts, but only one president. Same way, managers also, like a sales manager, different managers, marketing manager, like that, many managers will be there. But it will select only one unique, that is distinct job role or distinct designation, distinct job name from the table called employee. So this is how we need to give the answer. So please understand, try to read the question 1 or 2 times. Understand what is their expectation. Then based on that you try to give the query. Is that fine? So this is how we need to write the answers. Up till this, any doubt?
No, ma'am. Good, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, fine. 1 second.